Hi, welcome to the Highway Pro. Yeah, on this video we are going to clean the engine using the engine cleaner. You can use any engine cleaner, degreaser or anything that can clean the engine. And before you use the water, you have to run your engine so that it won't damage the sensitive part on your engine, because water can take long to dry. So if you run your engine, it will dry quickly. So yeah, like what I'm doing, I'm using the water while the engine is running, so that it will save, it won't damage the sensitive parts. Yeah, so you can clean the engine at your home anywhere. You can use the spray. As you can see, the engine is super clean. Yeah, so the engine will run for some minutes to dry up the water. And yeah, it is super clean, easy, simple, quick, cheap. And yeah, thank you for watching the video. Please be sure to subscribe, like and comment.